Oh, look at all the babes in here. Like being at a smorgasbord.
Oh, you like the ladies, huh?
Oh, yeah. You all fascinate me.
What about us?
Well, I don't understand a word you're saying, but you smell like something you'd like to hold and hug and then some.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, like you. Huh. That's top shelf.
Really? These guys seem okay. Bill seems to like them.
Places leave no traces. I'm fine here on my own. So afraid I can't commit. Why did it have to come to this?
I just wanted to thank you for helping me bring that soil over.
It gave me a chance to get back to the land.
No, really, it was sweet of you.
Sure, yeah. How's your noodles?
It's great.
Yeah.
Did you want to try some?
Sure, yeah. El dente. That's good.
Hey, we're about to Strangelove. We'll be back in a few.
I've really been looking forward to this.
Yeah, me too.
What have you been looking forward to?
Huh?
What specifically?
Hey, Bill.
Hey!
So what'd you think?
Hey, you guys are terrific.
Well, you think we're pretty terrific, too.
Well, I know that.
So are you guys okay? Have you been taken care of and everything?
No, we're fine. I think we're fine. So I'll talk to you later, all right?
Okay. See ya.
So you were saying?
Oh, yeah, I was saying that I was